is my ulam for today's lunch. Tinolang manok again. Yeah, guys. Sarap. Yung tanglad, chicken, papaya, sili at tanglad at saka ano to. Nilagyan ko ng extra spinach.
Luto na to guys. So, serve na natin. Mapaparami naman ng kanin. Yummy. Perfect for the cold weather. Soup.